Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to all of you. This is Dr. Tasneem Anwar, your instructor for STEM for Educators course. In this lesson video, we will first identify the key characteristics of integrated STEM education and then explain the implications of these characteristics for classroom implementation. पिछले लेसन्स में हमने डिफरेंट स्टेम मॉडल्स डिस्कस किए थे और इंटीग्रेटेड स्टेम करिकुलर मटेरियल्स का मकसद डिफाइन किया था. Now, let's see and explore together which characteristics can help us identify integrated STEM. अगर आपको याद हो, हमने मॉड्यूल 1 में देखा था कि इंटीग्रेटेड स्टेम की कई मुख्तलिफ किस्म की डेफिनेशंस मौजूद हैं. Now let's move past these definitions and discuss the 7 key characteristics of integrated STEM that are backed up by existing research in the field. These are focus on real-world problems, centrality of engineering, context integration, content integration, STEM practices, 21st century skills, and informing students about STEM careers. इस वीडियो में we will discuss the first 3 characteristics. Before I get into the detail of each characteristic, please note that none of the characteristics operate in isolation from each other. ये सब एक साथ मिलकर integrated approach को define करती हैं. Now let's look at the first 3 characteristics in detail and see how we can implement them in our classrooms. The first characteristic, focus on real-world problem, signifies the role of contextualized learning. यानी learning based on real-life situations, finding solutions to real-world problems, and recognizing these problems can be solved through multiple pathways. Engaging students in using and building on their STEM knowledge and keeping them motivated with relevant challenges. इस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक को क्लासरूम में अप्लाई करने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम चूज़ करने होंगे, जो कि ख़ासा मुश्किल टास्क होता है. अपनी क्लासरूम में जेंडर, एथनिसिटी और बैकग्राउंड्स की बुनियाद पे वाज़ेह तौर पर ऐसे रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम चूज़ करें जो स्टूडेंट इंगेजमेंट और स्ट्रॉन्ग STEM आइडेंटिटीज़ डेवलप करने का सबब बने. Therefore, when designing real-world problems for integrated STEM, it's important to consider first, novel technologies. Choose problems that involve or are affected by modern technology. Second, STEM knowledge. The problem should require students to apply their knowledge of STEM. Third, STEM methods. Students should be prompted to use various methods and approaches from STEM disciplines to solve the problem. Fourth, context. The problem should be contextually relevant so that students can resonate with it. Lastly, scope of the problem. Rather than presenting a broad or vague issue, the problem should be clearly defined and focused on specific aspects that are relevant to STEM. Now, let's look at the second characteristics of integrated STEM, which is centrality of engineering. This characteristic highlights that students will be involved in designing things, learning from mistakes, and making their designs better. Students will also learn about the ethical and social aspects of engineering, like caring for others and understanding how engineering impacts society. इस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक को अपनी क्लासरूम में इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए आपको कुछ चीज़ों का ध्यान रखना होगा. You have to make sure that the students are able to understand the problem they are trying to solve and address its criteria and constraints. Apply STEM knowledge in the engineering design process, a process of problem identification, scoping, ideation, design, testing, and redesign. Evaluate their designs and use collected data to redesign and improve, work together in teams, and communicate their ideas. Think about how their designs affect society and people while designing their ideas instead of just focusing on the technical elements like cost and material. Our third characteristic is context integration, which suggests that the real world problem and engineering design challenge must be contextually relevant so that the students are motivated to learn the targeted STEM content. The challenges that you give to the students are not just about playing around, they need to have an actual connection with the content. Students should be able to form a connection of their learning to the real world. Yani, we need to focus on context integration in STEM. As teachers, we need to make them reflect on why their projects matter and how they relate to what they are learning. याद रखिए कि रियल वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में सिर्फ साइंस और मैथ्स यूज़ नहीं होगी, बल्कि इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स को सोशल और पॉलिटिकल चीज़ों के बारे में भी सोचना होगा. सो डू इनकरेज दैट. Now, before we move on to the next video in which we discuss the remaining 4 characteristics of STEM, आप ज़रूर रिफ्लेक्ट करें कि हमने जो अभी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स डिस्कस किए हैं उनको आप अपनी क्लासरूम्स में किस हद तक इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं. डू शेयर योर थॉट्स विद अस ऑन द डिस्कशन फोरम. अंटिल देन, टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.
थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगी और मज़ीद मालूमात हासिल करना चाहते हैं then you can check out the full course by clicking on the link in the description box below. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. See you in our next video.